Alright, let's open the package for TRAYVAX. Roll that intro. What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel, Small Boring Two Wheels. If it's the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So, if you guys have been around, you probably know that I do mostly motovlogging content on a Honda Ruckus, which also relates to the Ruckus content that I provide. But I do from time to time do gear reviews, which is what we'll do today. We're looking today at the TRAYVAX Link Lanyard. The first time they did a release was kind of a limited one. And what they ended up doing was release one version of it, which was climb spec nylon, as you can see in the picture here. It ran for a limited time, sold out pretty quickly, and since then has been on pretty decent demand for quite some time. So what is this? Obviously, it's a new version of it. It comes in its own little bag. It's pretty nice. It actually tells you who built it. Thanks, Evan. You have your little TRAYVAX Link Quick Release Lanyard, information sheet, as well as a little keyring. And without further ado, the TRAYVAX Stealth Black Leather Quick Link Lanyard. So, how big is this? Let's see. It is about 4 inches long from the bottom of the carabiner to the very top of this clip at the bottom. And overall, it is about 6.5 inches long before you add the keyring. So on top of this, the Stealth Black Leather Link Lanyard that TRAYVAX offers, they are also offering it in tobacco brown leather, Mississippi mud leather, and steel gray leather, which are all oil tan leathers and are actually guaranteed, just like all the other TRAYVAX products, for a 65-year heirloom warranty, as well as they are all made in the US. So why did I end up choosing the Link Lanyard? Okay, well, this is my keychain right here, as you can see. It has a little S-shaped carabiner, which works great with what I have. I usually use this to put it around the belt loop, one of the front ones, and I end up doing just putting my keys inside of my pocket, having my key tag outside so it's easier for me to pull it out. But the issue that I have is the bottom part of the S gets hooked onto the seam of the pocket, and over time it tears it up pretty fast. So the original version of the Link, which was the climb spec nylon, as well as the 4 new versions, which are all the leather ones, all have the same hardware, which is the custom stainless steel carabiner, the quick swivel attachment with an easy access button to quickly detach the swivel base, which is where your keys would be attached to through this hole and the provided keyring. But let's see what my keychain looks like on there. I'm sure the reason why TRAYVAX didn't install the keyring itself is because they expect you to probably just use the keyring you already have for an easier transition. Let's do that. Keyring. Alright, so now that has been installed into the quick release swivel base, let's see what it looks like on. Easy access to the key tag as well. But if you guys are interested in this product, the link for the Link will be in the description down below. And if you want to actually get it, just let them know the Spaz from Small Boring Two Wheels sent you. I am in no way affiliated with them because I'm a small channel. And honestly, I just wanted to see how good their products really were. And let me tell you that, even though I got it in pre-order a few months back, the wait was well worth it. If you guys liked the content and thought it was helpful, just give me a thumbs up. If you want to see what else I have, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to make sure you don't miss anything ring that bell so you're notified every single time I upload something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spaz out. Later.